A chance at the championship may be back in play for a Portsmouth basketball team. Manor High girls basketball team had to forfeit a playoff win this week because of an ineligible player. The athletes took that forfeit to a judge who's now halting the playoffs that were set to wrap up tonight. So Brittany Miller joins us in the studio with the details. Brittany, a lot going on here.
Yeah, Dana, that forfeit put an end to the Mustangs' 14-0 season. But according to court documents, players and parents say it was because of an administrative error. Now they're asking for a chance to get back on the hardwood. After a forfeit on the court, the Manor High School girls basketball team got a win in the courtroom. On Thursday, attorney Stephen Washington filed an injunction on behalf of 9 players and their parents after the Mustangs were knocked out of the Class 4 Region A girls semifinals because of what Washington calls a clerical error.
He didn't fill out a form.
That he is Manor High School's athletic director, Jamal Felton. According to documents from the Portsmouth Circuit Court, Felton failed to submit a postseason waiver before the postseason tournament after a player transferred from Norfolk Academy to Manor High in December.
Well, if they lose the game on the court, fair and square, that is what it is. But not just because I just lost it because, I didn't file a paper.
On February 19th, Manor High School girls beat Gloucester 88-20. Ranked number 2, they were scheduled to go head-to-head against number 3 War Hill on the 24th when they got the news that they were ineligible and had to forfeit their previous win against Gloucester.
And they learned that 2 hours before they were about to play that game.
While Gloucester went on to lose to War Hill in the game the Mustangs were supposed to play in, parents hired Washington. By Friday morning, a judge halted the next game in the tournament, the finals, keeping championship dreams alive for Manor girls.
And this is a once-in-a-lifetime run for those kids. I mean, because some people, they'll never see a championship run ever again.
Washington says while the injunction is a win, what they really want is the team back in the bracket.
Just to be able to play that game, they're forfeiting.
Attorney Washington says there weren't any administrators from Manor High School present at this morning's hearing. Portsmouth school officials say since this is an ongoing legal matter, they couldn't participate in an on-camera interview. That next hearing is on Monday. Brittany Miller, 13 News Now.
All right, thanks, Brittany. And other high schools like War Hill and Hampton are also at a standstill as the injunction plays out in court. In a statement, the Williamsburg-James City County School Superintendent wrote, quote, "We understand and respect the judicial process, but are disappointed in the outcome, timing of the decision, and impact it has on our student athletes, coaching staff, and War Hill community."